What's up, guys? Mark here. A lot of people have been trying to change the stereos in these 19 to 21s, and I'm going to show you the reason why it's not available to happen right now. Here's the main reason. All right, we stick it in reverse. It brings up a 360-degree camera angle. A lot of cars have this option, and we frequently change the stereo. This specific option goes away. It's a really important option. I wouldn't want it to go away in my car. They don't have the technology out, to my knowledge, right now to retain the 360-degree angle. So, also, there's nothing wrong with the factory stereo as long as it's been updated from the factory. There's a recall on specific models on the 19 to 21. I know this because I own one. And like mine, brand new. It took home for 2 weeks. Stereo was powering on and powering off for no reason. It's still doing it because I haven't taken it and gotten it updated. So this is why we can't change your 19 to 21 stereo yet and retain every single option. We're a place that we don't want to do this unless it's done right, and you're losing this really good feature. You might state you don't care about it right now and you're okay with losing it, but when you get in there and you don't have it, you're gonna be mad that you did it. So